Not knowing how much to charge for your amigurumi? Don't be sad or thoughtful about it. I have the solution for this problem. The application that shows you has arrived how much to charge for the amigurumi piece. And it helps you to value your work. Valuing your hours worked. Calculate correctly the amount to be charged for your amigurumi and never be at a loss again. Watch the video. Access the application for free and start earning money from your work and say no to prejudice. It has never been so easy to know the amount to charge for your amigurumi. Know your final profit and how much you spent. With this application it was simple to know. You don't have to worry about that part anymore. Let the application show you in less than 10 minutes, you already have these results. Value to be collected. How much you spent and your profit. Download the app for free and be a VIP. The app also contains amigurumi bonuses for you. The link or button to download the app. It's below this video. The Calculate Amigurumi application is available in 3 languages: Portuguese, Spanish and English.